Test drive the 2013 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, remote engine start, automatic transmission, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, rear wiper, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, power windows. Come see the car for yourself.